Mitchell with Screaming Timber. We're working right on the lakeshore. This is our access point to get to all these trees that's gonna get cleared out. Customers opting to leave all the wood chips here, and then we're just gonna haul the logs away. All these trees over here are all gonna be removed. We gotta preserve the undergrowth, not the undergrowth, but the dune. We got one of our guys right now cutting down a tree already. But all this is gonna be a pool, shed over here, and then just kind of like some little grassy area for the customer. Then we got this amazing, beautiful view out here. You can't get much better than this.
I'm Dr. Mark Silverstein of Holland, Michigan. I highly recommend Screaming Timber and Mitchell. The crew is doing an excellent job. They did a job for me before and I brought them back. And I brought them back for a job about 5 times what the first job was. A big job, and they're doing a fantastic job. And I really appreciate it. Easy to work with, and this type of job is the one I had to adapt as they were here, changing what they cut, because I had to see as it was cleared how it affected what I decided to trim and cut. And they totally accommodated it and are working with me and are doing and have done a fantastic job.